Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to access the Argo CD using the CLI. So in the previous video, we have seen how to install the Argo CD and access the UI. And now we'll see how to access the Argo CD using the CLI. Okay, so for that, we have to install this binary. So I'll just explain the step by step. So before that, for the UI here, like we have been using the default password, the initial password, right, for the admin. If you go to the user info and the issuer is Argo CD, and this is the default username. So now I want to change the password. So here you can enter the current password, the one we have just generated. Okay, I think it has gone. Let me just get the password again. Okay, this is the default password. And if I go here, enter the default password. And now I want to change that password. Okay, save new password. Password doesn't match. Okay, let me give a different password. Okay, save new password. Your password has been successfully updated. Okay, now let me log out and log in back. Admin and the new password. Okay, so now I have successfully logged in and I have also changed the password. So here you can see the documentation and this is the user info. And here this is the setting where you can configure the repository and clusters and projects, accounts and everything. And since we don't have any application, here we don't see anything. Once you have deployed the application, you can see the applications here. And now let us see how we can access the Argo CD using the CLI. So here there is a assets, and from here we need to download this Argo CD Linux AMD 64. So let me go to here and copy this command and go to my Kubernetes cluster and wget. Okay, I can just directly paste it using the curl. I will try to download it. Okay, let me use wget instead. Okay, let me just remove this. Okay, I have downloaded the package. Okay, now let me rename this. Let me delete it, the existing one. Let me rename this into Argo CD. And also I have to give the executable permission chmod Argo CD and then move this into user local bin. So just copy this command. Okay, now if you run Argo CD version, you can see that this is 3.3.4, and if you can just type Argo CD, it will give the list of options that can be used for the Argo CD. Okay, so here we can run the Argo CD login. So this is my IP address, and if I run Argo CD login, okay, so the IP address is different, 27.111.151. Okay, so it gives the certificate warning, which is okay. We can just proceed with that and enter the username and enter the password. Okay, actually I have to use with the port number. Okay, Argo CD login, and the port number is 32632, and proceed with yes and enter the the username, which is admin. Password, we have reset the password, right? So we have to enter the password. Okay, now we are able to log in successfully. So now if I issue Argo CD cluster list, now we are able to access the Argo CD using the CLI as well. So if we can run Argo CD app list, Argo CD app list. So currently we don't have any application running. That is why we are seeing it empty. Once we deploy the application, we can see the list of applications running here. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.